Now, one of the largest free streaming applications is actually being shut down very soon. This application, as you can see, had some great features, lots of video on demand content, lots of TV shows, movies. It supported continue watching. So you could start a movie or a TV show and then continue watching at a later stage. Didn't require any registration, no usernames, no passwords. It really was a great application. And I was very surprised when I heard that Chicken Soup, who are actually the company that owns this application, decided to shut this down. Now, the application, if you haven't guessed already, is Crackle TV. Now, as reported a few days ago on Cord Cutter News, 3 free ad-supported streaming services, including Crackle, are now shutting down. Chicken Soup for Salt Entertainment will be shutting down. So originally, the company tried to file for bankruptcy to try and reorganize and handle its debts, but unfortunately, they were unsuccessful. And because of that, they've now converted to a Chapter 7, and they plan to lay off 1,000 staff and end all operations. And this will directly impact Crackle, Redbox, and also Popcorn Flicks. Do leave me a comment below if you know of these 3 applications and if you personally used any of them. And it does say that it will be ending, the service will be ending at some point soon. And we can see the history here that Crackle launched in 2004 and was originally bought by Sony in 2006. And it grew to be one of the first well-known streaming services that offered 100% legal content, which was obviously ad supported. And then in 2019, Sony then sold this over to Chicken Soup. Now it says that Crackle's impact on cord cutting today cannot be understated. It led the way into what is now one of the fastest growing areas of cord cutting with the launch of free ad supported streaming services like Tubi TV, like Pluto TV, like Zuma TV. All of them, you could say, took inspiration from Crackle TV. And it also impacts another application called Popcorn Flicks. Another application which is affected by this is also Redbox, which I have covered on my channel a few times. Also has some great content. So again, it's a shame that that's also going to be shutting down. So with these applications shutting down, what are our options? I'd say probably the best legal option to replace these 3 applications shutting down, I would say, is Tubi TV, especially the new version which I've covered on my channel, which has been completely revamped. They've now added in lots more movies, TV shows, and they also have that large library of live TV content. Just ensure that you do have a USA IP address. If you have that, you will see this extra content at the top, including a fully working program guide with just hundreds and hundreds of live TV channels. This plus that large library of movies and TV shows, I'd say this is probably the best alternative to those 3 applications being shut down. If you're looking for more exotic options for third-party streaming to access more newer content, then I will leave a link in the video description and pinned comment on the best way how you can get access to those applications. As mentioned before, if you are looking for the easiest way to change your IP address to access content from all over the world, right now there's a super special offer just for the next 2 weeks where you can get total protection for unlimited devices. Doesn't matter if you have 10 Fire Sticks or 25 Android TVs and 4 laptops, all of your devices will be covered with a single license. You can then change your IP address, change your virtual location, you can hide your online activities, you can access all of your favorite streaming applications wherever you are in the world. Really, to get all of that for just $2.19 a month, I really think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. And they also give you those 3 months free. Using my link does help support my channel, so many thanks if you want to do that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.